जय जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीर वनचारी। यशोदानंद यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन यमुना तीर वनचारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीर वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे। नित्य लीला सुखमो राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे। गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे गोविंद राधे हरि गोपाल 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 राधे 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 जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय श्याम सखी कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे कृष्ण राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे प्रेम धन। नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे प्रेम धन। कलियुग रे महाउपाय नाम संकीर्तन। नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे प्रेम धन। नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाम नाचे नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे प्रेम धन। दयाल निताई चैतन्य बोली नाच रे आमार मन। दयाल निताई चैतन्य बोली नाच रे आमार मन। नाच रे आमार मन, नाच रे आमार मन। नाच रे आमार मन, नाच रे आमार मन। चैतन्य बोली नाच रे आमार मन। कृष्ण नामे अनुराग तो हबे। कृष्ण नामे अनुराग तो हबे। वृंदावने राधा श्यामे पावे दर्शन। वृंदावने दर्शन। राधा श्याम पावे दर्शन। वृंदावने राधा श्यामेर पावे दर्शन। गौर कृपा हबे, गौर कृपा हबे। 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 नाच रे आमार मन, नाच रे आमार मन। मारे प्यारे प्रेम दे, मारे तारे प्रेम दे। एमन दयाल नहीं त्रिभुवने। निताई आमार बड़ो दयाल। मारे तारे प्रेम दे, मारे तारे प्रेम दे। मारे तारे प्रेम दे, मारे तारे प्रेम दे। वृंदावनी राधा श्यामे पावे दर्शन। गौर कृपा हबे, गौर कृपा हबे। गौर कृपा हबे, निताई कृपा हबे। हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। निताई गौर कुंज बिहारी राधे। जयो राधा कुंज बिहारी, राधा कुंज बिहारी राधे। जयो राधा दामोदर, राधा दामोदर राधे। जयो राधा श्याम सुंदर, राधा श्याम सुंदर राधे। जयो राधा गोपाल, राधा गोपाल राधे। जयो राधा राधा कांत, राधा राधा कांत राधे। महाप्रभुर प्राणो दोनो है, महाप्रभुर प्राणो दोनो है। जयो राधा राधा कांत, राधा राधा कांत राधे। जयो राधा राधा कांत, राधा राधा कांत राधे। जयो राधा गोपीनाथ, राधा गोपीनाथ राधे। जन्म माता प्राण दोनों है, जन्म माता, जन्म माता प्राण दोनों है। जयो राधा गोपीनाथ, राधा गोपीनाथ राधे। राधा गोपीनाथ, राधा गोपीनाथ राधे। जयो राधा रमण, राधा रमण राधे। गोपाल भट्टेर प्राणो दोनों है, जयो राधा रमण, राधा रमण राधे। जयो राधा विनोद, राधा विनोद राधे। लोकनाथेर प्राणो दोनों है, लोकनाथेर प्राणो दोनों है। जयो राधा विनोद, राधा विनोद राधे। जय राधा गोकुलानंद, राधा गोकुलानंद राधे। विश्वनाथेर प्राणो दोनों है, विश्वनाथेर प्राणो दोनों है। जय राधा गोविंद राधे जय राधा गोविंद राधे रूप गोस्वामी प्राणो धनो हे रूप गोस्वामी प्राणो धनो हे जय राधा गोविंद राधे राधा गोविंदा जय राधा गोविंदा राधा गोविंदा जय राधा गोविंदा सनातन प्राणो धनो हे सनातन प्राणो धनो हे जय राधा मदन मोहन राधे जय राधा मदन मोहन राधे अद्वैत तेरो प्राणो धनो हे अद्वैत तेरो प्राणो धनो हे जय राधा मदन गोपाल राधे जय राधा मदन गोपाल राधे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि नाम संकीर्तन की श्री गुरु परंपरा की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय नामाचार्य की श्री पंचतत्व की श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की श्री राधा कृष्ण अष्ट सखी गण 64 मंजरी गण षड गोस्वामी गण की श्री धामवासी भक्त वृंद की श्री कुंडवासी भक्त वृंद की श्री गिरिराज महाराज की श्री गोवर्धन परिक्रमा करने वालों की श्री वृंदा देवी की तुलसी देवी की श्री युग धर्म हरि नाम संकीर्तन की श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की श्री नवद्वीप धाम की श्री पुरी नीलाचल धाम की श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा की श्री गंभीरा धाम की श्री गुंडीचा धाम की श्री सिद्ध बकुल धाम की श्री राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड की श्री समस्त लीला स्थलियों की श्री ब्रज मंडल की श्री नवदीप मंडल की श्री योग पीठ की श्री वासंगन की श्री वैष्णव शास्त्रों की श्री दामोदर मास की उत्थान एकादशी की हरि बोधिनी एकादशी की श्री कार्तिक व्रत की निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे चिला सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय गौर किशोरदास बाबाजी महाराज की श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद की श्रील भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद की श्री गुरुदेव महाराज की निताई गौर प्रेमानंद। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। यथा राधा प्रिय विष्णु तस्या कुंडम प्रियम तथा सर्वगोपीषु सैवैका विष्णोरत्यंत वल्लभा तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि नाजीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय देवि त्वं नय मां चरणान्तिकम्। The lotus feet of Radha Kund is on the northern side, corresponding to Janva Mata's Baitak. Janva Mata's Baitak is the lotus feet of Radha Kund, because Giriraj Govardhan is coming like this, opposite. So the lower part of the face of Govardhan is on the northern side. So when we say Nayamam Charanantikam, O Radharani, give shelter at your lotus feet, it means, O Radharani, give us shelter in Lalita Kunj, in Janva Mata's Kunj, because that is the lotus feet of Radha Kund. So we are staying in Champaklata's Kunj and aspiring for Lalita Kunj. Ironical. But ultimately, so today is the second last day of Kartik Vrat. Damodar Maas is coming to an end. Tomorrow is Utthan Ekadashi. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says that one should break the vow on Dwadashi. So I am feeling that every month should be like Kartik. Because the spontaneous attraction which you feel for Radharani is actually in Kartik. I was doing Katha every day here before Kartik also. But in Kartik month, I don't know why, some kind of energy is coming. You can ask Mataji. Mataji is coming every day. The Kartik month, the kirtans are like more powerful. You feel that Radharani is present in this whole month, day and night. It's the dearest month of Krishna. Anybody who comes to Braj Mandal in Kartik gets 50% mercy of Krishna. And the balance 50% you get by staying in Radha Kund. By taking bath in Radha Kund, offering ghee lamp to Radha Kund. Balance is completed. यशोहर जिल्लाए हरि नदी नामे एकटी ग्रामे श्री हरिदास ठाकुर शुभ विजय करिलेन। ग्रामे ते ब्राह्मण वास वेशी। एक दिन एक पंडित अभिमानी पाषंडी ब्राह्मण सभा मध्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुरेर देखे बोलेते लागिलेन, उए हरिदास तुमी हरि नाम उच्च स्वरे केन करो केन, शास्त्र रे मने करे बला आछे। हरिदास ठाकुर बोलेन। Haridas Thakur entered the village known as Hari Nadi. In the village of Hari Nadi, there was one very offensive Brahmana, envious Brahmana. He came to Haridas and he started shouting at Haridas. Oh Haridas, why are you chanting this name of Krishna loudly here and there? Why can't you chant silently in your own place? Why are you disturbing others? Why don't you chant silently? Haridas Thakur started smiling and Haridas Thakur started speaking. Pashu Pakshi Kito Adi Boli Tena Pare Shunile Hari Naam Tar Sabe Tore. How much compassion is there in the heart of Haridas Thakur? He is telling the Brahmana, these insects, these trees and these birds, they all have got animal species of life. They cannot chant the name of Krishna. But somehow, if I make them hear the name of Krishna, then they will all be delivered. We are thinking of preaching to human beings, but Haridas Thakur is thinking of preaching to the insects, to the birds, to the trees. He wants to deliver them. This is the pure Vaishnava. He is thinking about all living entities. Nowadays the politicians, they are so cruel. They sit in the meetings, they try to protect the people in their country, but they put cows' meat. They kill the cows in their country. They kill the animals in their country. They eat the meat of those animals and then they say, we will protect everybody. Fools! If you cannot protect the animals in your country, how can you protect the human beings? Haridas Thakur wanted to give them the highest destination. That's why he was chanting loudly always. When Gauranga Mahaprabhu went to the Jharkhand forest, he delivered the tigers. The first 5 or 7 tigers were following him. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu looked at him and said, Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Then the tigers, in the 2 legs, they stand on the back 2 legs and the front 2 legs they keep in the sky. Like this. Like we do Hari Bol, tigers are also doing. Hari Bol! Mahaprabhu said, this will not do. Sankirtan means there should be many. So deers came. Pack of deers. And Mahaprabhu said, Hari Bol! Then the deers and tigers are catching their hands. They are dancing. Hari Bol! So happy they forgot that they are enemies. Then Mahaprabhu said, Hari Bol! So the deers and the tigers started kissing each other. They forget everything. How much love coming in the heart of the animals. And after delivering them, Mahaprabhu went to a pond. He was taking bath, Sandhya, afternoon time. So he entered the pond, took the bath, he was doing his Gayatri in that pond. When he was chanting his Gayatri, so many elephants came to drink water in that pond. Even while doing Gayatri, Mahaprabhu is thinking about the elephants. He took the water from the pond and he threw it on the elephant. Hari Bol! Hari Bol! When the water fell on the elephants. Elephants are having such a gigantic body and their soul is very small inside the body. So being the touch of the water of Rasaraj Mahabhav, Gauranga, they felt so much ecstasy. Even the elephants put their 2 feet on the ground and other 2 feet in the sky, and their trunk is hanging in the sky, and the elephants are saying, Hori Bol! Hori Bol! Hori Bol! Mahaprabhu was smiling. Who can refuse the order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead who is present in everyone's heart? The Paramatma. That is the difference between our preaching and Lord's preaching. The Lord can give the Harinam even to animals. Some Mahabhagavatas have given Harinam to animals. Like Rasikananda. He gave the Harinam to that elephant. So, he was a yogi, not a Vaishnava. Then Mahaprabhu said, I have delivered every animal in this Jharkhand jungle, but I have not delivered the trees. Who will deliver the trees? So Gauranga Mahaprabhu went to the trees and he said, Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol! And very much surprised, Balbhadra Bhattacharya was thinking, all the animals were chanting behind the Lord, but how will the trees chant? Trees are just, inanimate. How will they chant? But to the surprise of Balbhadra Bhattacharya, he saw that there is an echo coming from the trees. Hari, Hari Bol, like an echo. Echo is coming from the trees. Even the trees are repeating after the Lord. What mercy. When Gauranga Mahaprabhu went to Hampi, he gave the highest mercy. If you remember in Ram Leela, Sugriv wanted to test Ram. So Sugriv said that O Ram, if you can penetrate your arrow from all these 7 trees, just by making one hole, without cutting the trees, then I will consider you that you can beat Vali. So Ram shot his arrow between the 7 trees, and the trees had holes inside. The trees were suffering. But when Gauranga Mahaprabhu went to Hampi, he embraced those trees. He says, my dear trees, you are waiting for 17.7 million years. You are waiting for me. I gave you a lot of pain, but now I will send you to Goloka. So when Gauranga Mahaprabhu embraced the trees, with their same body, the trees disappeared. It is described in Chaitanya Charitamrita. The tree disappeared. Who is more merciful than Gauranga? From the tree species of life, he can give you Vaikuntha or Goloka by his embrace. Normally we have to take a human birth to even do any bhajan. And then we do bhajan, then we can think of going to Goloka. But Gauranga Mahaprabhu is so merciful. Because he is Radha Bhav Swarup. Radharani is very, very merciful. So Gauranga embraced the tree and they all went to Goloka. Even the Pandavas have become trees in Shamakund to see the ecstatic 12 o'clock bathing of Radharani. Radharani ki jai. At sharp 12 o'clock, Radharani starts coming with her Sakhis in Manas Pavan Ghat. She is giggling. She is smiling. The Sakhis are talking to her. They take out their dress clothes and put it on the Pilu tree. And they climb and they go down the ghats. And Radharani takes bath in the blackish waters of Shamkund. When Radharani enters Shamkund, Radharani feels that Sham is embracing her. Because Shamkund is Sham. Shamkund is Sham. It's black. The water is also Sham. So when Radharani goes into Shamkund, she feels Sham is embracing her. She becomes very happy in Shamkund. They have a lot of pastimes along with her Sakhis in the water. And the Pandavas, they are as trees, they are watching this Leela. Near the Manas Pavan Ghat, there is a Panch Pandav Ghat. So from Panch Pandav Ghat, the Pandavas are watching Radharani in Shantaras. They cannot participate, obviously, because they are not in Madhurya Ras. But they can see the Leelas of Radha Kund. They can see. So even the greatest of devotees, like higher than Shiva is Prahlad, higher than Prahlad is Hanuman, and higher than Hanuman is the Pandavas, higher than the Pandavas is the Yadus, and higher than the Yadus is Uddhava, and higher than Uddhava is the Gopis, and higher than Gopis is Radharani. So such high devotees also get to become trees in Radha Kund. Uddhava is there in Kusum Sarovar. Radha Kund is very rarely attained even by the Nitya Siddhas. Then what to talk of insignificant souls like us who are not even Siddhas. Basically we can be described as Baddha Muktas. Baddha Muktas. Nitya Baddhas, when they try to become Sadhan Siddhas, they are called as Baddha Muktas. In the intermediate state. We are in the intermediate state. We are doing bhajan. We are still Baddha, but we are trying to become Siddha. So we are Baddha Muktas. So we are in the middle. But still we have this good fortune. We've got this human body, the chance to come to Radha Kund. You know, there are some dogs in Radha Kund. They are very special dogs. You have seen the dogs black color and black color with white dots. There are many dogs. Very special. In their previous life, they were all in Radha Kund as human beings, but they did some aparadh. That's why they become dogs in this life. And this will be their last life, because even as dogs, they are roaming in Radha Kund. So even if you become a tree in Radha Kund, you become an animal in Radha Kund, it is better than becoming Brahma. What is the use of Brahma's birth? Brahma has to come to Radha Kund hidingly, secretly. He can come sometime. He cannot even show himself. So who is this foolish person? Rupa Goswami says, Premamrita plavanat kuryadasya virajato giritate yatra ko viveki no kaho. Who is that foolish person who will not stay on the banks of Radha Kund? Who is that foolish person who will not do bhajan here on the banks of Radha Kund? To perform devotional service on the banks of Radha Kund is the highest platform of devotional service. Prabhupada writes in Upadeshamrita, even if somebody puts a gun in your head, don't leave Radha Kund. This is the gateway, this is the ticket to the Nitya Leela. Radha Kund is our ticket, passport, gateway, everything to enter into the Nitya Leela of Radha. Just by remembering Radha Kund, one will get Manjari Bhav. What to speak of taking bath in Radha Kund? Whenever I remember Radha Kund, I feel attracted to my own form. So, this is the greatest good fortune we have. The only way we will be thrown out of Radha Kund is if we commit Vaishnava Aparadh. So we should avoid Vaishnava Aparadh. Offer Dandavat every day to all the Vaishnavas. And chant the name of Krishna while looking at the divine waters of Radha Kund. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. When you are looking at the waters of Radha Kund and you are chanting, then slowly, Ananga Manjari's Kunja will appear in front of your eyes, which is in the center of Radha Kund. Who wants to see this Kunja? Everybody wants to see. So please chant on the banks of Radha Kund. Every day, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Because when you chant on the bank of Radha Kund, you are giving happiness to Radha Rani. Radha Rani is hearing your chanting. And the waves are... That day we went for Diwali, we did that kirtan. When we started this kirtan, we were lighting all 500,000 lamps. When we were dancing and the water started, waves started coming in the water. Radha Rani responds. She is hearing our chanting. If we chant with love and devotion, Radha Rani will accept it. To see Radha Kund is the perfection of our eyes. Akshno phalam twadrish darshanam jiva phalam twadrish. The taste of our fulfillment of our tongue is to taste the water of Radha Kund, to taste the bhoga which is offered to Radha Kund, to taste the tulsi which is offered to Radha Kund. And the perfection of our touch is to touch the waters of Radha Kund. Actually, only we say Radha Kund, but here the Brajavasis say Radha Rani. Oh, you took bath in Radha Rani? Yes. Oh, you did puja of Radha Rani? Yes. Oh, you did parikrama of Radha Rani? Yes. Everybody says Radha Rani. Nobody says Radha Kund. Because for the Brajavasis it is Radharani herself. So chant the holy names with the mercy of Radha Kund. In Radha Kund, even Gauranga Mahaprabhu's mercy is there. Because Gauranga Mahaprabhu was the first to take bath in 1514. He took bath in 1514 AD. And because of his taking bath, his Charanamrit, his Adharamrit, his Shariramrit, Dehamrit, everything is there in Radha Kund. So Radha Kund is Radha Rani also, it is Gauranga also, it is Krishna also, non-different. Greatly fortunate. Japile Shri Krishna Naam Apane se tore Uchcha Sankirtane Paro Upkar kare. If you chant japa of Krishna Naam, you are selfish. Why you are selfish? Because you are delivering only yourself. But if you do loud Sankirtan of Krishna Naam, you are magnanimous. You are delivering everyone. It is not my words, Haridas Thakur is saying. By doing japa, you deliver yourself, but by doing Nama Sankirtan, you deliver everyone. So we have to do both. Para upaka, jivano janomo sarthako kari, kara para upakar. By japa, our life is successful. And then by Sankirtan, we can make others' life successful. Para upakar. So even the greatest of all Bhajananandis, they also do Sankirtan, like Haridas Thakur. When a snake charmer was playing his bugle with the snake, Haridas Thakur came and he started dancing. He was playing the like that, he was playing the snake charmer. Haridas Thakur was dancing. He was remembering Kaliya's Leela. Krishna dancing on Kaliya. And he started dancing and dancing. So pure devotees also do Sankirtan to deliver everyone. Ataiva uchcha kari kirtano karile shataguno phal hoye sarva shastra bole. Haridas Thakur said that therefore, O Brahmana, you listen to me. All the scriptures are saying that if you loudly chant the names of the Lord, it is 100 times more powerful. 100 times more powerful. Our hall is in the basement, that is why the sound does not go outside. It goes? Where does it come? Okay. That's possible. Yes. Maharaj has told me. But nobody understands English. Maybe Kirtan, yeah. So, Haridas Thakur, the ei roop vastav siddhant shravan kare, shei papamati brahman असहिष्णु जे बोले लागिला कलिते शूद्र गण वेद पाठ करिबार एखन एई ताई देखिछि हरिदास दर्शन करता है। हरिदास ठाकुर एई समस्त कथा श्रवण करिले नीरवे सभा त्याग करिले। that Brahman started insulting Haridas. He said, see, we are all Pandits, we are learned in the scriptures, and this Haridas is teaching us the scriptures. But that Brahman does not know that on whoever's mouth the name of Krishna is constantly coming, that person actually knows the Vedas. All the conclusions of the Vedas are in the mouth of that person who chants the name of Krishna constantly. In the Bhagavatam there is one verse, it says, Aho, aho bata swapacho to gariyan yajjivagre vartate tav naam tubhyam te pustapasjuhu shashnurarya brahmanuchurnam grinanti ete. That devotee who is chanting the name of Krishna, that devotee is taken all holy baths in his previous lives. He has studied all the scriptures. He has done all kinds of vows. He has performed all kinds of austerities. He has taken bath in all holy places in his previous life. That is why in this life, the devotee is chanting the name of Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare. That is why we have come to Radha Kund after millions of lives. Our bhajan has increased 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%, 10%. After doing bhajan so many lives, thousands of lives, ultimately we have got a chance to come to Radha Kund. Don't waste this life. Don't waste this opportunity. You have got the name of Krishna and you have got the form of Radha Kund. What more you want? And you have got Gauranga Mahaprabhu's mercy, Tamal Tala. You have got all our Goswamis here in Radha Kund. What more we want? Nothing. Remain satisfied with one dry roti in Radha Kund. But don't go outside to eat. Chappan bhog, Panch Pakwan may be available outside Radha Kund. But the dry roti of Radha Kund is more sweeter. If you want to become the Palyadasi of Radharani, then Radha Kund is the place. If you want other rasas, then you can go to other places. If you want Sakhya rasa, then you can go to Gwalpokhar. In near Govardhan there is Gwalpokhar. If you want Vatsalya rasa, you have to go to Nandagaon. You do bhajan in Nandagaon, you will get Vatsalya rasa. If you want Sakhi Bhav, then you go to Vrindavan. Ras Lila, all the Sakhis are dancing. If you want Manjari Bhav, then come to Radha Kund. If you Barsana, you become an elderly gopi in Radharani's palace. In Barsana, Radharani's maid servants. If you want to become Radharani's maid servant in the palace of Barsana, or as confidant of Kirtida, or even a Sakhi, Radharani has 64 rooms in Barsana for each of his Sakhi, her Sakhis. And if you want Parkiya Bhav, then you have to go to the Maha Yoga Peeth in Javat Dham. Who has been to Jawat? You have not been to Jawat? No. You should go to Jawat. If you want Parkiya Bhav. That is Radha Rani's mother-in-law's place. Father-in-laws. Every day while coming from Govardhan to Nandagaon, Krishna stops in Jawat every day in the front of the palace of Radha Rani, and he prays to Radhika, come out, give me darshan, otherwise I will die here. My samadhi will be here in Jawat. Oh Radha, if you don't give me darshan. Radha says, you shameless? This is my husband's house. How can I come out and give you darshan? I will be exposed. Already Jatila and Kutila are suspecting. How can I come out in front of all of them? Krishna says, I don't care. He cries outside Jawat. When he is coming with his cows, 9 lakh cows, Radharani goes on the terrace of Jawat, her palace, and she is watching Krishna from far. It is known as Godhuli. In Godhuli, after Radha Kund, Jawat is my favorite place. Jawat and Nandagaon. Nandagaon, because the Nitya Leela is very strong there. Any time in the day, if you go to Nandagaon, you will feel the Krishna's presence, Nitya Leela. Because from Nandagaon, everything is expanding. From all directions, Krishna goes everywhere. In the night, he goes to Vrindavan. In the morning, he goes to Goshala. In the evening, afternoon, he comes to Radha Kund, Govardhan, Barsana. Everywhere he goes from Nandagaon. Nandagaon is the center. So, that's why Vrinda Devi, she made her, Vrinda Devi has two headquarters. Actually, Vrinda Devi performed austerity in Vrindavan, but her headquarters is in Nandagaon. Vrinda Devi made Nandagaon because Vrinda Devi has to organize all the Leelas. So Vrinda Devi stays in Nandagaon and she organizes all the Leelas. There is the Gupta Kunda. You must have seen Vrinda Devi in Nandagaon. I hope. So, when Radharani is looking at Krishna from her palace terrace, whenever we go to Jawat, we really go to the terrace. We really enjoy the view. A small staircases going up, and when you are climbing those staircases, you feel as if Radharani is there. It's very strong feeling, experience of Radharani. And when she is looking at Krishna from far, Krishna feels excited. All of Krishna's activities are meant for pleasing Radharani. So Krishna starts acting very strangely. When Jawat comes, Madhu Mangal says, Krishna, behave yourself. Otherwise, all the sakhas will come to know what you are thinking. Behave yourself. Krishna says, okay. He tries to become sober. And after looking at Krishna, Radharani's body becomes transcendently hot because of separation. The Sakhis and the Manjaris are continuously fanning Radharani's body on the top of the terrace of Jawat, trying to reduce her separation from Krishna. So all these pastimes we should meditate on during the day while chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says that Mahamantra contains the Ashtakaliya Leela of Radha and Krishna. Hare Krishna is the morning Leela. Hare Krishna is the early afternoon Leela. Krishna Krishna is the Madhyan Leela. Hare Hare is the later afternoon Leela. Hare Rama is the late evening Leela. Hare Rama is the evening Leela of dinner. Rama Rama is the Leela when Krishna enjoys in the palace of Nanda Bhavan in the evening 8-9 o'clock. And Hare Hare is the night Ras Leela. There are 8 parts of the Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And each part contains of one prahar, Ashtakaliya Leela. The great devotees, they meditate on these pastimes when they chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Like right now, the evening time, Krishna comes and he waits. Uparno room. He waits in Pavan Sarovar outside Nandagaon, which was made by the father of Vishakha. Father of Vishakha, his name is Pavan Gop. So he made this lake for Krishna to wash all his 9 lakh cows, to make them drink the water. So Krishna comes with his 9 lakh cows. Hari Bol. And all the cows are drinking water. And the cows are waiting for Krishna's signal. When Krishna says, what does he say? Niri, 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 Niri. Niri means water. Come close to the water. Come close. So they, all the cows, they lift their tails like, very obedient. Krishna orders, so they come to the water. They again look at Krishna. What to do? Krishna says, drink the water. So they start drinking. Krishna's order. First, when the cows are very far, I forgot, there is another mantra. The cows have 4 mantras. When the cows are very far, Krishna says, Hua, 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 hua. Come here, close. Then when they come close to the water, Krishna says, Niri, 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 Niri. Go to the water. Then when they drink the water, then after they drink the water, they again look at Krishna. We are satisfied. Then Krishna says, Tiri, Tiri, Tiri. Tiri, Tiri, Tiri. Come back to the tir, come back to the ghat, come back. So anybody who remembers these 4 mantras can do Go Seva. Go Seva के लिए 4 मंत्र हैं. हुआ. Niri, Niri, Niri. Tiri, Tiri, Tiri. Braj Kishore Prabhu has a factory of Go products in Mumbai. Go Seva. If you apply his soap on the body, it removes everything except the skin. It is such a pure soap. Really, you should try that. All the pores of our body becomes clean. आपका साबुन जब लगाते हैं तो शरीर के रोम रोम साफ हो जाते, गाय की कृपा से, गो सेवा। So that is the Leela which is going on. And next to Pavan Sarovar is a beautiful tower which Pavan Gop has made for Radharani and Vishakha, because they are both born on the same day. So Radharani's mood is like Vishakha. Vishakha's mood and Radharani's mood is kind similar. Vishakha और Radharani का भाव एक है क्योंकि दोनों का जन्म एक ही दिन में हुआ, अष्टमी को. So they go on the top of the tower and Radharani is looking at Krishna with all the 9 lakh cows. And Radharani is looking at Gopal from the top of the tower. And Gopal looks at Radharani and says, I am coming. I am coming. So in Govind Lilamrit it is mentioned, Krishna escapes slowly from Pavan Sarovar. He secretly goes and climbs the tower to meet Radharani on the top of that tower. And Radharani's heart is beating. Oh, Gopal is coming. Oh, Gopal is coming. Oh, Gopal is coming. Oh, Gopal is here. And they both meet on the top of that tower. What an ecstatic Leela is that. I cannot tell you what happens after that because it is very confidential. But transcendental pastimes. वो पावन सरोवर के बाजू में एक टावर है, वहां राधा रानी कृष्ण का दर्शन करती हैं और कृष्ण उसके ऊपर चढ़ के राधा रानी से मिलन करते हैं. शाम के टाइम में 6:30 बजे उनका मिलन होता है. 6:30 अराउंड दे मीट. Then Krishna goes to the Goshala with the cows. And that's another beautiful Leela. So, Haridas Thakur felt very sad at this Brahmana offending this, not understanding the glories of the name, so he left that place. एक अश्रद्धालु को नाम की महिमा नहीं सुनानी चाहिए क्योंकि अश्रद्धालु अगर नाम की महिमा सुन के मानेगा नहीं तो अपराध. If the faithless person will not accept the glories of the name of Krishna, then it will become an offense. So we should not describe these glories to anybody who does not have faith. So Haridas Thakur left that place. कए कदिचिन परे सेई दुष्ट ब्राह्मणेरो पलित कुष्ठ हईल वैष्णव अपराधेरो फल हाथे हाथे पेलो. After Haridas Thakur left, immediately that envious Brahmana got leprosy. Because he not only offended the name of Krishna, he offended the Mahabhagavat, who was the personification of the name. उसको कुष्ठ रोग हो गया वो ब्राह्मण को तुरंत ही, क्योंकि उसने हरिदास की कथा को नहीं माना. उच्च स्वर में नाम लेना वो 100 टाइम ज्यादा शक्तिशाली है, वो माना नहीं. कलियुगे ब्राह्मण सकल विप्रो घरे, कलियुगे राक्षस सकल विप्र घरे जन्मिबेक सुजने अहिंसा करी भाई. This is the symptom of Kali Yuga, that all the demons will take birth in Brahmana families. Like me, Now today I can say with proof, Praman, that I am a demon, Rakshas. If anybody tells me who am I am going to quote this verse from today. कलयुग में जो राक्षस होते हैं वो ब्राह्मण परिवार में जन्म लेते हैं और सज्जन पुरुषों को कष्ट देते हैं. they give misery, they give pain to devotees. They are very offensive, hinsa, violent. They are violent on good people. Shri Haridas Vaishnava Darshan Ichha Kare Navadvipe Gele. Haridas Thakur said, enough of associating with all these atheistic people. I will directly go to Navadvip and I will associate with Mahabhagavat. I will associate with Advaita Acharya. हरिदास बोले ये सब भक्तों, ये सब लोगों का संग करके कोई फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि इनको नाम की महिमा बताता हूं तो ऊपर से अपराध करते. It's like a snake. If you give the snake some milk, the snake will become even more stronger, poison, angry. Similarly, if you describe the glories of the name to a faithless person, he will become even more angry. So better we leave the place. हरिदास अद्वैताचार्य हरिदास के प्राणे रसमान भाल बासे थे. Advaitacharya embraced Haridas Thakur and considered him his life and soul. कौन समय आचार्य पितृ श्राद्ध वासरे सर्वास वस्त्र वैष्णव श्री हरिदासेर भोजन करान. The time came for Advaitacharya Shraddha for his forefathers. The Vaishnavas do Shraddha once in a year on that Tithi. So they offer Mahaprasad to the Krishna and then they offer it to the pure Vaishnavas. On the Shraddha, Vaishnav Shraddha, if you feed the pure Vaishnavas, then all your forefathers, they are delivered. So श्राद्ध के समय में हरिदास अद्वैत आचार्य का समय आया, उन्होंने भगवान को महाप्रसाद दिया और वो श्राद्ध के समय में वैष्णव को प्रसाद देने से सब पूर्वजों का उद्धार होता है. So he did not call any brahmanas, anybody. He called only Haridas Thakur, Advaita Acharya. Come Haridas, you eat in my house. Today is my Shraddh. Haridas said, Ami Neech, I am so fallen. Why are you calling me? You should invite other qualified Vaishnavas. Advaita Acharya said, Haridas tomi bhojan korile hoye. कोटि ब्राह्मण भोजन कोटि कोटि ब्राह्मण भोजन. Oh Haridas, if you eat in my house, then Krishna will eat, because Krishna is always there in your heart. And when Krishna eats, then the whole universe is full. The whole universe is satisfied. My forefathers will be delivered. I will be feeding millions and millions of brahmanas by feeding you. In Hari Bhakti Vilas it is said, Krishna eats when the pure devotee eats. Krishna eats when you offer it to him, but Krishna relishes actually that bhoga when the pure devotee eats. Then Krishna relishes it. Krishna enjoys it. जब भगवान का शुद्ध भक्त भोजन लेता है तो उसके हृदय में भगवान भी खाते हैं, और भगवान खाते हैं तो पूरा सृष्टि खा लेता है. करोड़ों ब्राह्मणों का भोजन हो गया एक शुद्ध भक्त को खिलाने से. That's why Advaita Acharya always wanted to invite Gauranga Mahaprabhu alone in Puri for prasadam, bhoga. But whenever Gauranga Mahaprabhu would never come alone, all his sannyasi, this Brahmanand Bharati, Parmanand Puri, and all Ishwar Puri's godbrothers who were staying, they all used to come. Then Swarup Dharmudar, Ramanand Rai, all his eternal confidants used to come. So one day Advaita Acharya was praying, I want to serve Mahaprabhu alone today. Please fulfill my desire. He looked in the sky. He looked at Indra. Indra said, okay, Advaita Acharya, I will follow your desire. And Indra started raining heavily in Puri. And there was no rain only near Gambhira. Everywhere there was heavy rains. So nobody could leave their place. Only Gauranga Mahaprabhu came. And Advaita Acharya was very happy. Vasudev Das ki jai. So, अद्वैत आचार्य गौरांग महाप्रभु को अकेले में खिलाना चाहते थे, तो उन्होंने इंद्र को प्रार्थना की, आदेश दिया, क्योंकि वो महाविष्णु हैं। तो इंद्र ने ऐसा बारिश कर दिया कि उनके घर में केवल गौरांग आए, बाकी सब भक्त अपने घर में ही रुक गए। नो डिवोटीज कुड कम। और उन्होंने बहुत आनंद से भगवान को खिलाया। विथ ग्रेट हैप्पीनेस ही फेड गौरांग महाप्रभु। श्री हरिदास ठाकुर यशोहर जिलाए अंतर्गत बेनापोल ग्रामे अवस्थान करें। तिनी दिवारात्र 3 लक्ष नाम ग्रहण करें। सेई आयगारो अध्यक्ष छिलो रामचंद्र खान। Haridas Thakur reached the village of Benapol. On his way to Navadvip, he reached the house of Benapol, and in the Benapol forest, he was chanting 3 lakh names every day. In the cave, in the jungle, in the cave. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, राम राम हरे। बेनापोल नाम के जंगल में हरिदास ठाकुर ने प्रवेश किया। वहां गुफा में 3 लाख नाम लेने लगे वो। एंड रामचंद्र खान was the zamindar, was the head of that area, and he became very envious of Haridas Thakur. हरिदास ठाकुर एर प्रतिष्ठार कथा सुने मात्सर्य तारो चित्ते ज्वलंत लागिलो। की करे हरिदासेर महिमा हास करा जाए चिंता करिते लागिलो। खानेरो अनेक गुली वेश्या छिलो। खान चिंता करल कोन वेश्या के कोन पाठियाय तारो पतन घटियाचे होबे। So he became more and more envious of Haridas Thakur, because Haridas Thakur was becoming famous. Everywhere devotees were coming, people were coming to just hear his chanting. So he selected the best Vaishya, her best prostitute. Her name was Chinta Karala. And he sent her to make Haridas Thakur fall down. रामचंद्र खान को ईर्ष्या हो गई। उसने सबसे सुंदर वेश्या को चुना जिसका नाम चिंता था। उसने हरिदास ठाकुर के पास में वेश्या को भेज दिया उनका पतन कराने के लिए। परमा सुंदरी एक वेश्या नियुक्त कराच। एक रात्र वेशटी हरिदास ठाकुर एर कुटीरे आइलो तो तुलसी ओ हरिदास के नमस्कार करे समय वसे बोलिते लागिले। Very, very beautiful prostitute. She came to Haridas's kutir and she offered pranam to Tulsi Devi. She offered pranam to Haridas Thakur. The very moment in which she came to Haridas, her good fortune has awakened. वो वेश्या बहुत सुंदरी थी। वो आई, उसने तुलसी को प्रणाम किया, हरिदास को प्रणाम किया। जैसे ही हरिदास के निकट में आई उसके भाग्य का उदय हो गया। The moment you come before a pure devotee, even if you come whatever intention you have, येन केन प्रकारेण मनो कृष्ण निवेशय. Prabhupada did not want to meet any sadhu. Narendranath, his friend, told Prabhupada, the most powerful of all sadhus has come in Kolkata and he is giving katha in Altadang Junction. In the Gaudiya Mutt, he is speaking on Chaitanya Charitamrita. Come, come, come. You should meet him. Prabhupada said, I have met all these sadhus. They are taking ganja and then they fall asleep. I don't want to meet all these sadhus. When I was small, Prabhupada's father, Gaur Mohan De, used to invite all sadhus and used to pray them, bless my son to become a pure devotee of Radharani. But half of the sadhus were all like not following any principles. So Prabhupada said, I have seen so many sadhus. I don't want to meet. But Narendranath pulled him. And when he entered into that assembly where Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur was speaking, he looked at. And Prabhupada was wearing khadi, Gandhi. Gandhiji's, Prabhupada was in the Gandhiji's non-violent movement. He was thinking that when the India will become independent, then India can accept the message of Bhagavad Gita. First we have to make India independent. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati said to him, Krishna consciousness cannot wait for any condition. Even if the India becomes independent, people will become a slave to their senses. There is no independence in this material world. Everybody is a slave to Maya. प्रभुपाद जी साधु से मिलना नहीं चाहते थे, लेकिन नरेंद्रनाथ उनके मित्र ने पकड़ के उनको कलकत्ता में ले गए भक्तिसिद्धांत सरस्वती से मिलने की. और भक्तिसिद्धांत सरस्वती ने बोला, देश की आजादी हो या आजादी नहीं हो, लेकिन हमें कृष्ण भक्ति का प्रचार करना चाहिए. क्योंकि अभी देश आजाद भी हो जाएगा, लेकिन इंद्रियों के गुलाम रहेंगे सब लोग. कृष्ण भक्ति का प्रचार कभी रुक नहीं सकता. The preaching of Krishna consciousness cannot stop at any cost, whether India is independent or India is dependent. In fact, in the British time, in the school books, at least some Vedic culture was there. Now they are systematically removing all the spiritual things in the textbooks in India, in the schools. And Indians are doing it. Are we really independent? We are always dependent. We are always like a, puppet. हम एक कठपुतली की तरह है, भगवान के ऊपर निर्भर, माया के प्रभाव में हमें इससे मुक्त होना है. Real independence means the soul should come out of this material body and the soul should enter Goloka Dham. That is the real freedom for the soul, independence. असली स्वतंत्रता ये है कि हम इस शरीर के पिंजरे से बाहर निकल के गोलोक धाम में चले जाएं. This is real independence. And never stop that preaching. Even if there is a war, there is an earthquake, there is a tsunami, but we should give the holy name of Krishna to everyone we meet. Should not stop at any cost. कोई भी प्रकार से ये प्रचार को रोकना नहीं है. अगर सुनामी आ जाए, युद्ध आ जाए, तो भी दूसरों को कृष्ण का नाम देना है. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. ठाकुर तुम्ही परम सुंदर प्रथम यौवन, तुम्हा देखी कोन नारी धरिते पारे मन. তোমারও সঙ্গম লাগি লুব্ধ মোর মন, তোমা না পাইল প্রাণ না যায় ধারণ. That prostitute is telling Haridas, you are Thakur, you are so young, You are in your fresh youth. And you are seeing your beauty. Which woman can control her patience? A sadhu or a Vaishnav who is chanting the holy name, the pure name, is always very beautiful. Because a sadhu or a Vaishnav never ages. The soul is never ages. The soul is eternal. So Haridas Thakur had the beauty of his bhajan. Tomaro sangam lagi. I want to unite with you. My mind is enchanted. Please, which I cannot control myself, please fulfill my desire. Haridas Thakur. ठीक है. मुकुंद शांति से नहीं बैठ सकता है. नहीं, आवाज आता है उधर में, आवाज दम आवाज आता है. ओके, ठीक. हाँ, that's why. अभी बुझी गेला, 7टा बजी गेला, यही कारण. Mukund is giving indirect warnings, signals. So, प्लीज फुलफिल माई डिजायर. वो वेश्या ने कहा, हरिदास को तुम नव युवान हो, इतने परम सुंदर हो. हरिदास, मैं अपने मन को रोक नहीं पा रही हूं. मुझे मेरे साथ संगम करके मेरी इच्छा पूरी करो. हरिदास कहा, तोमा करीनु अंगीकार, संख्या नाम समाप्ति जावत ना होए आमार. तावत तुमी वसी शुनो नाम संकीर्तन, नाम समाप्ति होइले करिमु सेई तोमार मन. Haridas Thakur said, "Oh Mataji, I will fulfill any desire you have after I complete my Sankhya Naam. After I complete my quota of chanting." I have taken a quota of chanting 10 million names in 1 month. If one day if you chant 333,333 names, then you can complete 10 million, यानी 1 करोड़ नाम 1 महीने में पूरा करने का व्रत हरिदास ठाकुर ने लिया था. हर महीने में वो करोड़पति हो. That is the real Karodpati. He used to chant 10 million names every month. And these were the last 3 days of the month. So Haridas Thakur said, I will complete my 10 million names and then I will accept you. In what way accept you? He didn't say. I will accept you. The prostitute was telling, you accept me by embracing me. Haridas Thakur was telling, I will accept you as my disciple. वो वेश्या सोच रहे मुझे अंगीकार करेंगे 3 दिन के बाद, मेरे को आलिंगन करने के बाद. हरिदास ठाकुर बोलते मैं तुमको अंगीकार करूंगा लेकिन शिष्य के रूप में, क्योंकि 3 दिन में तुम्हारा मन बदल जाएगा. मुझे नाम में विश्वास है. हरिदास ठाकुर had so much faith in the name that he knew that in 3 days the Vaishya's heart will change. It will melt. She will become a devotee. I will fulfill your desire. You come and sit. You sit near Tulsi and you hear the chanting. By that time, and Haridas Thakur played a trick. Even though 3 days were remaining to complete the month, but Haridas Thakur did not say that today is the last day. He said, I will complete my vow and then I will, whatever Toma Mone, whatever you want, after I complete my chanting, I will do it. Whatever you want. So Haridas Thakur had so much faith in Krishna Naam. He's saying, whatever you want, I will do it. But Haridas Thakur knew that she will want Krishna Naam. हरिदास ठाकुर ने कहा, जो तुझे चाहिए वो मैं दूंगा. 3 दिन जब मेरा नाम पूरा हो जाएगा, संख्या 1 करोड़. That day ended. Next day, again she came. Again she heard. The last day Haridas said, you come early today, I will fulfill your desires, because mine. Chanting is going to end. My quantity, Sankhya Naam, is going to end today. So she came early on the 3rd day and she sat down and she started chanting behind Haridas Thakur. What a good fortune. Normally you see a sannyasi should not sit in a solitary place, especially with a prostitute. But Haridas Thakur broke this rule to deliver the prostitute. एक सन्यासी है, निर्जन स्थान में किसी स्त्री के साथ नहीं बैठ सकता, लेकिन हरिदास ठाकुर ने यह नियम भी भंग किया उस वेश्या का उद्धार करने के लिए. Like Narad Muni, when Indra was taking the mother of Prahlad to kill the son in the womb of the mother, Narad Muni met the demigods in the sky and Narad Muni said, stop, 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 stop. Prahlad is in her womb. He is a great devotee. He is not a demon. He is going to save all of you. I will take Kayadu with me. So he took Kayadu in his own ashram. Narad Muni is a sannyasi, but he took Kayadu for the sake of Prahlad. He was speaking Hari Katha, Bhagavad, and Prahlad was hearing in the womb. नारद जी ने भी ये नियम भंग किया. हिरण्यकश्यपु की पत्नी कयादु को इंद्र ले जा रहे थे, तो नारद जी कयादु को बोल के अपने आश्रम में लेके आए और निर्जन स्थान में बैठ के कयादु को भागवत सुनाया, क्योंकि मां के पेट में प्रहलाद सुन रहा था. प्रहलाद, he wanted to make Prahlad such a strong devotee that even after Prahlad takes birth, he can tolerate the sufferings given to him by his father, by the power of his remembrance of Krishna. तो अपनी स्मरण भक्ति के लिए ये वरदान दिया था. So in that way, at 12 o'clock at midnight, this prostitute's heart melted. She started crying suddenly. She started crying. Tears started flowing from her eyes. She fell at the lotus feet of Haridas. She took out all her ornaments and all her jewelry. She threw it aside. She fell at the lotus feet of Haridas. She told Haridas, please, oh Haridas, I have come to tempt you, to make you fall down. But now I want the holy name from your mouth. I want the nectar of the name which you are enjoying. The Naam Amrit. हे हरिदास, मैं तुम्हारा पतन करने आई थी, मैं पापी हूं. उसने सब अपने आभूषण छोड़ दिए, दंडवत किया, बोले हरिदास मुझे नामामृत दे दो. And Haridas Thakur gave her diksha, being very compassionate on her. He gave her the Hare Krishna Mahamantra in her right ear. And when the prostitute received the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, she asked Haridas Thakur, what should I do? My dear Gurudev, please give me instruction. And Haridas Thakur gave her only 2 instructions. निरंतर नाम लो, कर तुलसी रसेवा, अचिरात पावे तुम कृष्णेर चरण. Constantly chant the name of Krishna 3 lakh times every day and worship Tulsi Devi. Karo Tulsi ra sevan, serve Tulsi Devi. That's all. You don't have to do anything. Food will come to you. Take kandamool, phal, fruits, leaves but chant the name constantly and worship Tulsi. हरिदास ठाकुर ने वैश्य को उपदेश दिया, निरंतर नाम लो और तुलसी की सेवा करो बस. रोज 3 लाख नाम लो. Can you imagine? She was a new devotee, a prostitute, but Haridas Thakur is telling her to chant 3 lakhs. That is the power of the Mahabhagavat. महाभागवत की ऐसी शक्ति है कि नई वेश्या को वो 3 लाख नाम लेने को बोल रहे हैं. 3 lakh names will take minimum 18 hours. Minimum. It will take 18 hours a day. But she took the instructions of her Gurudev. If you do sadhu sangha even for a small moment, you will get the taste for Krishna Naam, and then you can do Nirjan Bhajan. Then you can sit down in a peaceful place and chant. But first you have to hear the pure Naam from the pure devotee. When you hear the pure Naam, then after taking the pure Naam, you will be able to chant